Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Bruna and it's Foundation Friday. Foundation Friday is basically every Friday I try a new foundation out for you guys and I test it out, I wear it, and I let you guys know whether it's worth it or not worth it. Basically, we're just exploring foundation and we're documenting that because I am a foundation addict. Today the foundation that I'm testing out is the Filter First by Laura Geller. It's a brand new foundation that just came out and I'm really excited to try this out. So if you guys want to know how this foundation performs and how it works out for you guys, how it works out for me, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and turn on the notifications as well. That is a bell button to be notified of all the new videos that I post up. Don't forget to comment and comment because I'll be giving monthly giveaways on my channel for anyone who comments or anyone who's participating on my channel. There will be monthly giveaways for one lucky winner. So you never know, you might be a lucky winner. So make sure you're commenting and liking on my videos. And now let's just get started, okay? So the foundation is $38 and it comes in 12 colors. I'm going to say this right away, you guys. 12 colors is not enough colors for any brand to put out. We obviously, I don't think it's necessarily about how many colors you put out, but it's also about the range of colors. But what I've noticed is they do start off with a beige, is a light beige with warm yellow undertones. And then they have like 4 shades and then they right away go into medium. And medium has about 4 shades. And then they have 4 shades of darker tones. So I'm going to just say this flat out. That is not bad. If you are a company that only wants to create 12 shades for your range of foundation, but you kind of break it up into light, medium dark, and dark, then that's okay. I understand a lot of brands, they maybe don't have the funds, or maybe they don't have the capacity, or maybe they're just not into making that many shades. That's okay, but as long as it represents, but I would to make a little bit more colors. I went ahead and picked the color caramel. Oh wait, I picked caramel and I think caramel was a little too dark for me. And then there was also golden medium. So the golden medium is medium golden with warm peach undertones and medium dark with olive undertones. I usually resonate more with a medium dark versus a medium, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch caramel on my face for you guys. This is caramel. Is that caramel? Yeah, that's caramel. It's a little orangey for me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on medium beige. This is the golden medium, and golden medium like basically goes into my skin. They're advertising that the foundation creates a perfect canvas for skin. They're advertising the Filter First Luminous foundation look. It's medium coverage. It has an Illumi Smooth technology to give you fabric like skin that enhances and perfects skin without masking your overall complexion. So one of the things with full coverage, sometimes it gives you really of a masky look. So this foundation is claiming that it will give you the full coverage look without the masky look. It has a weightless fluid drop, so it's weightless. I did notice that it's not a heavy feeling on your face. And it also has a special blend of curated micro pearls called opal light shifters, create a halo effect that filters and controls light to softly diffuse and shape facial contours, transforming skin to look naturally perfected. And then it also has a really cute part that says who's it for. It's for men and women. I like this. They say men and women of all skin tones, offering multiple neutral shades to cover a wide spectrum. Okay, so they are aware that there is a part about there is a thing in the beauty community right now where we're all kind of fighting for brands to be more inclusive and including all shades and all ranges of people. We really appreciate it if you guys would do that. And it also has a grapeseed oil, a powerful anti-aging and antioxidant, rich in fatty acids to help skin smooth and hydrate. It has aloe vera and vitamin E. Anyone that's sensitive to oils, I would stay away from it because it does have some oils in it. So maybe if you have acne prone skin, this might not be for you, but I don't know, you got to try it out to tell. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this golden medium shade, and I took 2 pumps. I should have took 1 pump, but you know, I have a pretty thick face. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that over my skin. And just so you guys know, I do have a primer on. I have my where is it at? Oh, I do have a primer on. I have my Hangover RX primer on right now. And I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay, so first off, this feels so light on my skin. Feels really, really good. Does not feel heavy at all. And you know what else is really cool? It's not streaky. So I'm putting it on with a brush, and I'm finding myself not having to do too much like product. Like I don't have to go back in and do another product. I think one pump. Well, actually it was like 2 pumps, but I mostly did 2 pumps mostly for like the space of my skin. Okay. So I really, oh, look at that. That looks really good, you guys. Covered up my pimple. I have a huge, gigantic pimple going on right there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and use a beauty blender on the other side and see how it performs with a beauty blender on. Oh my gosh, even with the beauty blenders usually pretty much thin out your foundations. And it still looks pretty good. I personally like the brush side versus the beauty blender side. I just feel like there's more coverage with a brush, using a brush. And I always say this, any foundation that says Luminous on it, it's best to be used and applied with a brush, in my opinion. This is basically the foundation on my face. This is just one layer. And truth be told, I'm going to tell you guys that one layer is amazing. It's still, even though it's considered medium coverage, it still feels like a full coverage vibe. I don't feel like I need to go in with another layer. Honestly, I don't even want to go in with another layer because I feel like if I go in with another layer, it's going to look cakey. And then I'm also going to record a quick little video with my camera because I know it says that you don't need a filter and it's like the filter first type of thing. And it looks really good. Like I really don't see a lot of texture on my skin. Guys, so I went ahead and layered on all my products on top of the Filter First foundation. And layering was really good. Nothing streaked. Everything went on really, really nice. As you can see on the camera, my face looks very filtered. I have no filters on there. It looks still flawless. Come on my IG and you can just see my skin just naturally looks like this. I'm always sharing my skin. I'm never shamed to share my skin. My textures, my lines, my aging. I'm not afraid to share all that. So I'm just going to go ahead and wear this foundation for the rest of the day and test it out and see how it performs. So far it looks really, really nice. I'm loving it. It is grasping a little bit on my texture over here, but not like bad. It still looks really good. I'm going to take a quick selfie just to see if there's any flashback. Oh, looking kind of cute, girl. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I've had this foundation on for about 12 hours. I put it on from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So that's been about 12 hours. And if you look at the foundation, it looks pretty good. I think it's a stunning foundation. I think I definitely have that Filter First skin where my skin just looks really good on the camera. And that's something I really love because it's very important for me to always look good on camera and not have to put filters over it because that's just too much work. Like I really hate having to edit my pictures and like edit out like when my makeup looks crazy somewhere. You know, y'all know, right? But this foundation, it's like basically you don't even have to edit your skin because your skin looks so good on camera because of whatever the foundation has. It has like some type of pearl technology that just gives you a nice dewy look. If you're someone that likes the nice dewy look and the no makeup look, this foundation is definitely for you. If you're someone that needs foundation that stays on your skin for a long time, this may not be the foundation for you because I did experience some fading in my chin area. But keep in mind, I always experience fading in my chin area if I'm not having good skincare going on, and I haven't been doing the best skincare lately. Your girl has been slipping major. I've literally been just slapping on coconut oil onto my face as skincare because I've just been really tired, but I need to stop doing that because it's showing in my makeup. Yeah, so I just think this foundation is great for anybody that's looking for, you know, you know, foundation that makes you just look good on camera. Society that we're in right now is like we all are always doing camera stuff. We're always on the camera. We're always taking a selfie, and everyone wants to look their best. And if you want to look your best, you should definitely try out this foundation. I'm pretty impressed. A lot of you guys are gonna ask me, do I like this foundation or the Huda foundation? Because Huda is also the filtered skin look foundation. I'm gonna tell you guys that I like the Laura Geller foundation way more. Huda Beauty's foundation is great, but it's really full coverage, and I wouldn't wear that every day. This Laura Geller foundation can be obviously worn every day. I would just wear SPF underneath just to protect your skin, or, you know, use the SPF setting spray to protect your skin. But yeah, I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask me that question, so I just wanted to share that question with you guys. Also, remember, you guys, I'm a MAC NC42. If you need a color comparison, I'm a MAC NC42. So hopefully we're the same shade, and this foundation review helps you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this foundation review with telling you guys that this was definitely a worth it foundation. I really liked it, but I gave you the pros and cons. It's really skin-like, it's medium coverage, it's not cakey, it's lightweight, but I did experience some fading here on the bottom. Luckily, I didn't experience any texture grasping. Like sometimes Luminous foundations can really grasp at my texture. So you guys, I will see you guys in my next Foundation Friday. Remember, Foundation Friday is new foundation review every single Friday. Catch you guys back here on Friday. I love you so much. Next Friday I'm going to be doing, what am I going to do? Next Friday I'm going to do a foundation routine for beginners. I'm basically going to break every single thing down about foundation that I know about, and I'm going to share that with you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Thank you for all your support. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications for this video, comment, and like. Mwah. Bye.